video will show you how to unmerge cells from an exported report from SUNY BI using the instructions that SUNY gave us. So you can see here, this is a merge cell, this is a merge cell, it merges B789. This is a merge cell, it merges A2 all the way down to the bottom. So the first thing it wants you to do is select the suppressed data. So this is the suppressed data, and then go to the Home tab, Merge and Center, click the down pointing arrow, and click on Unmerge Cells. So now these are all separate cells and they're not combined. The next thing it wants you to do with the cells selected, so let me select those cells again, is to find all the blanks. So if we find all the blanks, we go to Find and Select, go to Special, click on Blanks, and it finds all the blanks for me. The next thing you want to do, it highlights all the blank cells. Next, type in equals, and you want it to equal what's in B10, so you would type in B10. Okay, instead of just hitting enter, you can hit Control Enter and it'll add that value to every single cell. Okay, but the problem with this here is that it does take a lot of work, and the value is not the number we see here, but actually the formula equals B10. This is the value, but the next one is the formula, and so on and so forth. Okay, actually this value is what's ever in here. So if you're going to do anything with this data, these formulas might not work for you. So what you can do, which it says so in number 2 over here, is you can copy it. So you can go to, where's copy? Right here, copy. And then you can paste it, but you don't want to just, you want to do a special paste, which is where you only want to paste the values. So if you click on values and escape to get rid of those marching ants, you will see that B11 is the value, B12 is the value, and so on and so forth. And you'd have to do that for every single suppressed cell.